Let's now talk about syntagmatic relations in the second part of pragmatic and syntagmatic relationships. We can see that syntagmatic relations are basically based on the combinatory possibilities of the words in a sequence. Syntagmatic relationships are usually or do exist between words who are present in a sequence in a sentence. So it's not like a replacement for one word of the same category with another word of the same category. Rather, how we write or speak word in a sequence, in a linear sequence, it's the combination of that sequence. And we know there are as many combination of possible sequences as many sentences uttered or written by the people around the world. So there is no limit to the possibilities of such structures in any language. Combinations based on sequential relations are usually called syntagms or syntagms. So based on these syntagms, we develop syntagmatic relationships between words. So this relationship exists not only between two words or three words expressions, but also between various linguistic elements in a complex sentence structure or even in embedded sentences. For instance, if you say expressions like a red car and a green car, in this structure you can see that red and green both are in a syntagmatic relationship with the word car. If we see their relationship with each other, they would be in a paradigmatic relationship with each other. But if we see their relationship with the word car, which follows them, we can say that they are in a syntagmatic relationship with the word car. To Jonathan Kohler, we can say he defines syntagmatic relationships as combinatory possibilities, the relations between elements that might possibly combine in a sequence. So, as I said earlier, these relationships help us to explore various possibilities which can be united together to make comprehensible sentences, which also give understanding and meaning to the hearers or readers. Syntagm is a linguistic term designated any combination of units which are arranged in a significant sequence. A sentence may roughly be defined as a syntagm of words because in a sentence, words are always in a sequence, what we roughly call a grammatical sequence. So in this way, we can say that a sentence is a syntagm of words because without a proper sequence, we cannot understand the meaning. And a proper sequence is always necessary to produce understandable and grammatically correct sentences. For this reason, the syntagmatic relations are also called horizontal relations, or they are seen to be existing on a horizontal axis because they are available in a recognized order. That's why Oxford Dictionary calls it a linear aspect of language also. If you look at the example in front of you, there are two sentences. I write what I know and I know what I write. If you look at the constituent elements here, both sentences include the same linguistic elements in their composition. But their sequence is different. And because of that difference in sequence or arrangement of the words here, we can see that both sentences convey absolutely different meanings. The focus of the meaning is different. I know what I write and I write what I know. They convey different dimensions of the meaning. So we can assume that sequence is very important in generating meanings, and words in a sequence do contribute to the meanings of each other. Here is a diagram just to explain you how syntagmatic and paradigmatic relationships exist in language. You can see that syntagmatic relationship line is linear, or you could call it horizontal. whereas paradigmatic line is vertical. So vertical relations in a language are paradigmatic, whereas a horizontal or linear relationship in a language between words are syntagmatic.